Say good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
So I got up thinking I was going to be up before the kids and I was going to have coffee alone. And I went and used the bathroom and then went back in the bedroom. And somebody was up under my blankets and scared me. So while Miss Maddie has her Peppa Pig time, I am going to have me some coffee and start breakfast. I used the rest of our Funfetti pancake mix and then just some of the regular pancake mix that I get at Walmart or Sam's Club. Both of them are just add water. So I'm going to add water, get it mixed up, and start making some pancakes. And then I'll make up some sausage to go with it. To go with our last two pancakes, we have 2 sausage patties and 4 links left. So I went ahead and chopped up some hot dogs. I know it sounds strange, but it'll work. We're gonna fry up some hot dogs. What are you doing? You look so cozy. Go, baby, go. Oh, she's so fast. She's fastest baby. For lunch, we're throwing together some tomato soup and some grilled ham and cheese sandwiches. We put tomato soup and milk together to make ours instead of water. We just like it creamier. I have some butter bread and some rye bread, some pastrami, and some Cajun turkey. So I'm going to let everybody pick what they want and make up some sandwiches and soup. Mm-hmm. Okay, so for dinner, I cooked up a package of chorizo, added a large can of refried beans, let that simmer, and then we had chorizo and bean burritos with just some chopped up red onion and shredded cheese in them. But I did not finish filming dinner, so I don't have a picture of our finished dinner to show you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us today and enjoying some time outside with us and helping get the bunny pens cleaned up and new hay in those before our cold weather comes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon.